Today, we will be diagnosing a no crank, no start issue on an RX7 FC. We should probably fix that first. With the key in the on position, we get nothing on the dash. The clock unit does power up, and I can hear the opening circuit relay click. Let's turn it over, and nothing. Let's go over the wiring. Ignition switch to chassis harness, that's good. Chassis harness to battery side harness, that's also good. Battery harness to starter, no bueno. Since this wire is running down to the starter, we're going to assume that this is what we're looking for. The wire appears to be damaged, so we're just going to fix it for the purpose of diagnosing. We will come back and fix it the correct way once we've made sure that this is our problem. Snip this, crimp this, and we're short. Let's go get a jumper cable so we can extend the wire. Now we can try it again. Let's make sure we're not in gear. And...
Oh shit.